Hey guys, what's up? So, today we're gonna be playing Build-A-Boat. I learned something, or I built this in my in my free time. It's a little rocket. I'll just show you it real quick. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I figured out something that is pretty cool. So, basically, it is just that you can do a lot with magnets. And this is for white team. Well, whatever. Basically, I'm just gonna on off. Shoots me straight forward. It has to be right in front of me though. Hold on. But yeah. And whenever I'm on white team, it shoots me all the way to like right here, that line. And then I can start flying. And this is funny. Something funny I made. Let's see. So first you grab a window and make sure it is anchored. Grab a window, and then I'm gonna grab some titanium blocks. And if you have scaling tool, great, use it. If you don't, that's fine. Just use whole blocks. But to save blocks, I am just gonna do this. So I'm gonna put it. You can make it however long you want. The shorter it is, I think the faster you'll go. So I'll have it like that. And then basically I'm just gonna put it down a bit, and then down from the top a bit. And then we're going to take our little, we're going to stand in front of this, we're going to take our little seat, we're going to attach ourselves to this wall thing, delete the window, and make sure that's not anchored. So, and then I'm going to launch, and then it just does this. Now, it's the same controls as it is to walk, like W, just go forward. It's a little slower of a process, but it's guaranteed. Well, not guaranteed, but it makes you allows you to go pretty far. And when you're not moving, you just stand still in the water. So I think it's pretty cool because it does that. I'm gonna add some modifications to it, just because I think that if I do, then it would be better. So, and this time I'm gonna use a rod for this. There we go. Make sure your scaling tool is set to 0.05. And I just set it to scale like right in the middle right here. So it is easier to it's easier to use it when you delete it. So then I'll stand or make sure that's not anchored. Then place my seat here. I'll delete this. And just when you, oh my gosh, the chair cannot be anchored either. And then, but yeah, once you jump, it just activates it. And then, I'm gonna place some thrusters on it to make it faster, since, it's slow. Okay. And that still works. So I'm gonna test it out, see how it works. When you jump while you're in the water going, it doesn't do anything. Okay, so we'll turn on these. As you can see, I'm going so much faster, and it works really well, like I said. As long as you use a strong material for your wall right here, it will stay and not break as easily. So as you can see, I already got to the paintbrush level just from that, and it was only about a couple seconds, so maybe 10 seconds. And we got that far. But basically, guys, I just took a titanium rod, and then I used titanium blocks. Or you could use obsidian blocks for this. It doesn't look as good because it's not the same material as the rod. So I just use titanium block, and then this second shade right here, it's the exact same shade as the rod. So you might want to use that. And then again, I'm going to scale it. I'm gonna make it like that long this time. See what it does. See if it works. Now I'm gonna go a little higher this time. Just do some experimenting with it. See if this works. Okay. Make sure that is not anchored. That is not anchored. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. It does not work. Yeah. So going up higher on it does not work. Good to know. Alright. Scale it again. So I'm gonna try the same length and height, but I'll stay where I am right here, not go any up any higher. And let's see. Okay, guys, as you can see, it pretty much works. You just gotta keep holding W so you don't go back to the ground like this. So I'm holding W right now. Once I jump, I start holding W, but I just took it off and I went down. But if you just walk like this without jumping first, then you won't be like this. See, I'm dying, but if I just jump and then hold W, I go like that. So yeah. But in the water, it looks like it is, when I'm not holding W, just stays. So I guess when you're on land, it doesn't stay, but when you're in the water, it does. So that is good to know. Anyways, guys, I, I'll show you this I made. I named it house room because it's a house roomish thing. First of all, that's the escape pod. Don't judge me, it sucks, okay? I just made it out of like concrete. Oh, and this is my bedroom. I made no tutorials, guys. Like, actually, it's really good. I'm actually surprised I did something this well. And these are little pillows, and that's the big pillow with the pillowcase around it. But yeah, and the drawer with the piston, so the drawer opens. I will, guys, I will fix that and make it better. And obviously, there's chairs for other people for the whole server. And then this is the escape pod. You just get in here, click F, those blocks break, so I detach from it, and all of these things turn on. So for now, we're just gonna sit in the chair and launch, have a good time. Actually, I think I'm gonna go to sleep. And Chill Thrill really needs to add actual beds to the game, so you can actually lay down, so you don't have to add a chair underneath here. Yes, this is. I didn't expect myself to do something this good by myself, no tutorials. But yeah. And as you can see, I use very different blocks because I ran out of them. I'm gonna show y'all the escape pod now. So it's like this, right? Hold on. Since I'm in a pilot seat, I'm gonna turn that so I can get myself ready. Okay, I just click F right here, and then it breaks those blocks because they're butter blocks, and I just go. It's a escape thing. Yeah, it's only for one person though, and I'm the owner, so guess who's gonna live? Not me right now, because I'm not trying to waste my time making it to the end right now. By the way, guys, we made it to 11,000.5 gold. Okay, 0.6 gold. And then, I also have this. I showed you it already. YouTube. And peace out.